Okay, welcome everyone out there in YouTube land. My name is Alethea. I go by Rain on the Charts. All right, so today we're going to be covering different types of orders. So we know that we have 5 types that I will cover. Mr. Dollar, do you know what the different types of orders are?
Yeah,
Can you name them for us? Name one. Name one.
limit order,
Okay. And under limit order, we have 2 types. We have the
buy
buy
order.
limit and we have the sell limit. Okay. Benna, can you talk or no? Okay. All right. All right. So yes, we're gonna
Yeah. How are
cover.
you saying now, Alethea?
I was asking, so Mr. Dollar, I asked him to name a type of order and he said limit order. Um, can you name another type of order?
We have the pending order, which is stop orders,
Okay.
buy stops or sell stops.
Awesome. Awesome. Right. And then we have market execution, which that's what most people are familiar with. I'm gonna go ahead and start sharing my screen. Share the whiteboard actually. Uh, let's make this big. So that's really what we're gonna cover today. Just the types of orders, because most people are not aware that there are these different types. They just know market execution. So let's go ahead and okay, here is this number. Types of orders. Oh, hold on. All right. Benna, could I make you a co-host so you can let some people in for me as they arrive? Could I do that or no? Okay. Welcome to the call, Laverne, Aretha, Kezia. I think it's Kezia. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, correct me. Mr. Flourish, Baba K, Mr. Dollar. All right, so today we're covering types of orders. And there are 5 types of orders that I'm going to cover. Okay. The first one that we're going to talk about is market execution. Market execution is the first one. And market execution, that means you're just going to enter the trade as is. So say you are going to take a trade idea from someone and they say it's a market execution. That means if it's a buy, you're not waiting on it to come to any specific price. You're just getting into it immediately. You're going to go long, you're going to buy, you're just going to get in immediately. If it's a sell, you're going to go short, you're going to get in immediately. So a market execution, you know, you take immediate action. That's immediate, right? It's immediate. you're not waiting on anything to get in, okay? Then, Mr. Dollar, you had mentioned limit orders. So limit orders is something that you will set when you're waiting. A limit order, that's a type of pending order, just like a stop order that Benna mentioned. Limit orders are gonna either be a buy limit or a sell limit. So I want you to jot that down, right? It's either going to be a buy limit or sell limit. So when it comes to limit orders, it's in two, either a buy or a sell. Market execution, that's just one thing. It's immediate. You're just going to get in. And then after the limit order, you have the stop order. Stop order. And that also is a type of pending order. And that also is either a buy stop or a sell stop. So it's two different types under that category. So buy stop or sell stop. And that really is basically it. Market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. So that's 5 different types of orders. So I want you to take a picture of this, but now we're going to go over to trading view and we're going to take a look to see what this actually means, what it actually looks like. Because I know I can be telling you about it, but you're like, but what does it look like, you know? So, okay. Nigeria in the house. Yes, Mr. Dollar. All right, so I'm gonna stop share here. Share my desktop. Okay. So here we are on TradingView, and TradingView is a website that most traders use. It's a tool you can use to analyze the markets, extremely helpful as a trader. Like, I would be lost without TradingView. And we're gonna take a look. All right, so looking at USD JPY right here, it looks like an uptrend is happening, right? We see an uptrend. Right? And the trend is confirmed because it has once it's 2 or more touches, the trend is confirmed. It's an uptrend. Let me go to the line chart and go like so. Yeah. All right. So you have the uptrend. You can set a buy limit here, for example. I'm just going to show you what a buy limit would look like. Okay. So for a buy limit, that is a pending order. So you're waiting on something to happen. And it's like, if this happens, then this action will be taken. And that's how it works. Let's move this down. So what is the if? We see that we're in an uptrend, right? What is this saying? I will need the record video. Okay, well, I'm live streaming on YouTube, so the recording is going to be on my YouTube channel for anyone that needs it. It's there right now. Some people may be viewing on YouTube as we speak, but the recording is always going to be there for you to go back and take a look. So 2 touches, confirm a trend. This has 3 touches. So yes, we are in an uptrend on UJ. So, but are we going to get in all the way up here? No, that's not a good idea. We know that as prices rising, it's not just going up in a straight shot. It's up, down, up, down. So we could look to see price come back down. Here is a level of resistance. It's gonna be so I want to see if it will become the floor. So I could set a buy limit right here at 140.197. So what that means is I need to see price come down here and then continue up here, right? So when price comes here, let's get, oh no, I don't remember where to find the arrow, but this is definitely not what I'm looking for. I cannot find, where would I find the arrow? I don't know where the arrow is anymore. But anyway, right here, right here, this is where I would have my buy limit, right here. So I need to see price come down, buy limit. So this would be my entry, a buy limit for price to continue going up, right? So let's put that right here. Buy limits. Okay. At 140.197. Does everybody understand why that would be a buy limit right there? It's where the crosshair is. Let's see. Okay. This is one arrow, but that's not the arrow that I was looking for, but I guess yeah, no, that's not what I was looking for. And the actual arrow, I don't know where it has gone, but thank you. So does everybody understand why this would be a buy limit? Does everybody understand the concept of the buy limit? Okay, thank you, Mr. Flourish. Mr. Dollar, you don't understand? If price does not come back here to 140.197, which you would set as the buy limit, you would not be into you would not enter the trade.
Quick
Okay.
question, Alethea. You said you write like 1, 2, 3 above where the text in over on your your left hand side, which would be your right hand side on the screen. That's where the arrows are. You can have the one go over in the toolbox,
Mm-hmm.
go up to the other one, and you have the arrow, not that one, the other one there. See arrow?
No, not this arrow. That not that. That is this. That is this. It's something else. It's something else I'm looking for. It seems to have gone. It seems that they've removed it. I used to have this arrow that I would use. It seems like TradingView has removed it. Yeah. It's okay. It's fine. But the word, it's right there saying buy limit right in this area. And so I don't know. It's gone. But yeah, a buy limit is a pending order. So that means you're going to put the price for the buy limit 140.197. So you would be triggered into the trade only if price came to this area. So that's how the buy limit is. You be entered into the trade, it's pending, and once it hits that number, the trade is activated, and then you would be in this trade in your MetaTrader 4, right? Um, does anybody have any questions on that?
No.
Is it clear, Mr. Dollar?
Yeah, you can go on.
Okay, awesome. All right. Okay, so that's the buy limit. Next, we can look at a sell limit. So UJ, so let's look at EU. If UJ is going up, EU may be going down. Okay, and there we have it. You see, one is going up, the other is going down. So let's look at this. So same thing for a trend. You need to see 3 touches, 2 or more touches to confirm the trend. And we see that. Let's go right here. It's a downtrend. All right. So for me to enter this trade, or I don't even think it would come all the way back up here. So I need to see price come like here. Let's delete this one. Like right here. And since it's a downtrend, I would be looking to sell. Right. I will be looking to sell once price comes back up. So 1.07428 is my sell limit price for my pending order. So we have this pending order, which will only be activated if price comes up to this line 1.07428, right? So I would have a sell limit right here. So, and this is another pending order. Pending only will be activated if price comes up and then to continue going down. So I would enter right here, right? So up, enter to come down, okay? So that is a sell limit. Does anybody have any questions on the sell limit? Okay. And everybody understands that a buy limit and a sell limit are pending orders. So you're not getting in that trade right away. You are setting it, and then if price comes to that area, you will be triggered into the trade. If it never pulls back and comes up there, you would not be entered into the trade. Doesn't matter if price decided to keep go down. If you were not triggered in by it hitting that entry price, you wouldn't be in the trade, right? Now, a sell limit and a buy limit are used if price has already started going in the direction that you want to take the trade, but you have to wait on a pullback before you get in. So that's to keep you from having to sit down and wait to see if price will pull back. Because when you're in a trending market, if price is shooting up or if price is shooting down, you don't want to just jump in, because you could jump in and then it has a reversal, or you get in for the pullback, it pulled back and hit your stop loss. You're not gonna like that. So this is to kind of safeguard you, so you can get a good entry. You don't want to get a horrible entry. You want to get the best entry possible. Oftentimes, people may see the trend, the trade going down, like this did. Look at this. Imagine if you missed entering here and going down. Somebody may see it here and be like, oh yeah, let me get in now. And they get in here, anticipating that it's gonna just keep going down. And instead of it doing that, which it eventually did, but they had a pullback first. You could have entered here and have your stop loss here. It hit your stop loss, take you out, and then continue. So, if you just waited on the pullback, set a sell limit, you would get a good entry and everything would be okay. Does that make sense, everyone? Let's see. Okay, awesome. Awesome. All right. So that's how you can use the sell limit. Now, a market execution is if someone is analyzing a chart and it just so happened that they look at it and it's actually at the right spot for you to get in, they're just gonna say, take this trade, market execution. The price is 1.08200. Let's put that line there. Let's say it was 1.08202, right? This was the entry, and they're saying get in now. You just want to hit buy or hit sell. You don't want to wait on any kind of pullback. You don't want to set any kind of pending order. You just want to get in. Market execution. Just enter. Enter ASAP. Oh, hold on. Enter ASAP. Market execution. Now, when you're entering a trade and it's a market execution, sometimes you may see late, because a lot of us on here, we may be in different groups where you're getting trade ideas sent to your phone, or whether it's in an app or you're in a Telegram chat, however, you're getting these trade ideas sent to you. If you're taking a trade and it says market execution, it's gonna have the stop loss, it's gonna have the different take profits, and it's gonna have that entry price, right? Now, of course, you're not gonna get to the trade exactly at the price that the person said, because if a couple seconds have passed, if a couple minutes have passed, you're not going to get the same entry. Now, here's a rule that I have for me, and this is based on the stop loss. So if the stop loss is, say, let's just say 40 pips. If the stop loss is 40 pips, okay, if that trade is saying anywhere between 2 to 5 pips already in profit, I can still enter that trade. If it is, say, 7 pips or higher, I'm not going to enter the trade anymore. I'm going to either watch it, wait to see if it will pull back to give me a chance to get in, or I'm just going to forget about it and wait for another trade idea. The market is not running anywhere. You can always get another trade set up. There are so many different pairs, people analyzing it all the time. Don't chase things down. If you missed it, you missed it. So if it's 1 pip, 2 pips, up to 5 pips in profit, I can still enter the trade. If it is above that, I'm not. But some people will still want to take it. I would not get into a trade if it is more than 10 pips in profit. So maybe you want to jot that down. If you're getting in a trade and it's 10 pips or more in profit, do not enter that trade. Wait and see if it will pull back, or just forget about it altogether. Let's see here. Some comments. Don't let FOMO get you. Exactly, Mr. Flourish and Kezia, exactly. Yes, FOMO is real, fear of missing out. But when you do that, you put your account in jeopardy, because say you get in, it's 10 pips in profit already, you're getting in, and instead of it going to take profit one, it turns around, does a pullback, and instead of hitting the take profit one, it hits stop loss. So sometimes that can happen. Now, if the stop loss was 40 pips, like I said, but you got in when it was already 10 pips in profit, your stop loss is not 40 pips. Your stop loss is actually 50 pips now. So whatever calculation you had in place with the lot size calculator, if you were like, oh, I will only want to risk X amount of dollars, that's based on a 40 pip stop loss. But because you couldn't be patient, and you had to get in because, oh, this looks so promising, instead of losing, say it's $50 you were going to lose, now you find that you lose more than that, more than you were accounting for. So don't put yourself in that kind of position. For me, I will enter the trade if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5 pips in profit. Outside of that, I'm not. Others will still enter. I say if it's 10 pips or higher, forget about it. As Mr. Flourish said, don't let FOMO get you. Thank you, Mr. Flourish. Thank you, Kezia. All right. So we've explained buy limit, sell limit, market execution. Right. So now I want to talk about the stop orders. Right. So where the buy limit and sell limit is based on a pullback and then a continuation. Stop orders, there's no pullback. It's if price is going in that direction and it breaks through a certain level and it's, it's just going, you say, oh, if it goes up here, I will enter. All right. So let's look at the same Euro USD. And as it's a downtrend, let's do a sell stop. A sell stop is for a downtrend. A buy stop, which I'll show you after, is for the uptrend. So let's say we're here. Let's say we're here. My price is here. And let's say price is here. Let's go ahead and do that. All right. Let's say price is here. And let's pretend that it's not having these pullbacks, right? And you want to get into the trade, but you're not sure, right? Hold on. Wait a minute. I put you on mute, Baba K, because I'm getting all kinds of background noise. So I just want to have it clear. So I just put you on mute. All right. So once you have this notion that, okay, price is just gonna keep going, it's not turning back, you may decide, okay, if it gets to this price, I will get in. All right, so say you're here. You may say, hey, if price breaks through here, I'll get in here. Okay. Oh, wait, no. No. No, 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 no. Okay. Let me start again. Let's do this again. All right, let's use this. So say you're here. And you're like, okay. Right there, right? So we'll say, if price breaks through this level, I will enter here. So this is where the sell stop would be. Sell stop. And let's make it red. This could be my sell stop, right? So let's say price is here. You see it's been moving, right? You're like, okay, if price breaks through this level and comes here, I will enter, right? It came here, it didn't break through, it came up. But then it broke through here, almost came. It came here, I'm triggered into the trade, and it continues down. Yeah, it pulled back, but then it continued down. So actually, let's see. That's not bad, right? Sell stop. You're going to be triggered into the trade if it breaks through the area. And you're like, okay, I want to enter here. Like if it's breakthrough, I'll be triggered into the trade. Did I explain that? Do you guys understand? Did I explain it right? Venna, let me ask you.
Nasi was talking over you. I couldn't hear what you were saying.
Okay. All right. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Yeah. Can you take that one more time? Okay, Mr. Flourish. Yes, I will say it again. All right. So where a buy limit, you're looking for price to come and reverse. With a sell stop, the price needs to break through a set price. So the price, let's say it's 1.08458, it needs to go through it. You see the arrow went through the price and then you're entered into the trade. The line could be even up more, but it just needs to go through.
So does it need to go through twice before you enter?
No, it doesn't go through twice. I'm just saying this is just signifying, okay, it's gonna enter somewhere there.
Okay.
Somewhere there. Once it goes through the price, because sometimes it's going fast. It's gonna enter somewhere through there. And once you're entered into the trade, yeah, can it have a pullback? Yes, it can, because there was a tiny pullback, but then it went pulled back some more, but then there it went. Everybody understand that, Mr. Flourish? Do you understand that? You're watching you watched, you did your analysis, prices in this area. You're like, I think that price is going to keep going through. It doesn't have to. It could do a reversal and go the opposite direction. One of two things can happen. But if it doesn't reverse, if it goes through this area, I want to now be in a trade for a sell. So I put a sell stop so that I will be triggered into the trade when it goes through. Okay, awesome. I'm glad it's clear, right? So now you're in the trade. And, of course, guys, you have to set your stop loss anytime you do a trade. Next Sunday, I will show you guys how to use the stop loss, the lot size calculator. Next week, I'm gonna show you how to use the lot size calculator, how to measure your zones, measure your pips, and then use the lot size calculator so that you know how much you're risking. So no matter if it's 20 pips or 50 pips, if you only want to risk $20, you can only risk $20, whether it's 20 pips, 50 pips. So that's what I will cover next week. Okay. So this is the sell stop. And then let's use UJ to do the buy stop. Remove. All right. So again, we know that it's an uptrend. 2 or more touches on the trend line is what determines the trend. It's an uptrend. All right. All right. So a buy stop, you're gonna can have a line here. Let's see. Got a comment. Oh, so hold on for that. Um, sell stops are if you're looking to go short or for sells. Buy stops are if you're looking for longs or buys. It doesn't necessarily have to be a trending market because you can use it for a consolidating market. Is I just always talk about trending markets because I really only trade trending markets. I feel like that is safer for me to trade the trends as opposed to trading consolidation, because when it's consolidation, you never know when it's going to break out, and I don't want to be caught on the wrong end of that, you know. So I just tend to stick with the trend. And there's this saying, I didn't make it up. Lots of people say, trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. So, but yeah, sell stops is for sells, buy stops is for buys. Um, with sells, I would be looking for the downtrend. The buy stops, I would be looking for the uptrend. Right. So with so we see price come here, price come here. So I could set a buy stop, say here, right? So if price comes here, then I'm like, okay, let me get into this trade. So I could put a buy stop up here because I'm like, yeah, it broke through this area. Buy stop. I could put a buy stop on this line. I want to see I need to see price break out, break here, breaks it. Okay, yeah, let me get in this trade. It's going that way, right? Um, I kind of think that the stop orders work best for a trending market though. Now that I think of it, I think the buy limit or the sell limit that can work trending market or consolidation. I'm finding it hard to see how I would do a stop order in actually in a consolidating market. I don't think that that could actually really work. Um, and that's just my opinion. Okay. So I guess yeah, that would be more for a trending market. No, that
Market execution would be more suited for consolidation, and the stop, the limit orders would be like the break and retest. And as you said, the stop orders would be for the trending market, the range, not the ranging market.
Yeah, now that I give it a little bit of thought. Yeah, the buy stop, because it's depending on price just going through and just keep on going. So yeah, that would work best for a trending market, Mr. Flourish. Mr. Flourish, are you in Nigeria? When I hear names like that, I'm like, I think it's like Nigeria. Let's see. Oh, you're in Ghana. Okay. Okay. All right. Closer. Still closer than America, right? Nigeria, Ghana. Okay. All right. So does anybody have any questions about the buy stop? Based in, oh, you're in, okay. All right. Do you like it there? In the UAE? I want to go to Dubai. But does anybody have any questions based on the 5 different types of orders? Market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Any questions on this? Everybody understands everything. Aretha has been quiet. Kezia. Okay, well, I guess everything is understood. So everybody who is on here, I would really love it if you could go over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to drop the link in the chat right now. Hold on. I have several videos there talking about trading basics and some a little bit more intermediate. I wouldn't say advanced. Oh, okay, awesome, Laverne. Well, there you have it. There is the link, right? So please go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are hours and hours of content. I have lots of videos there. My foundation is trading, so it's all gonna be videos about trading. You may see every now and then some crazy thing like wrong lyrics only karaoke. I do want to have another party because you guys know you can't copy it here. Don't worry, Mr. Dollar is going to give it to you. And then you can go ahead and subscribe, and then you can go back and rewatch the video if you need to, and there are other videos that you can watch, right? It is for anyone. So if you've never traded before, you can watch my videos. I break things down as best I can. I love to do it. It reinforces the information for me. So, you know, I like that. Yeah, and he is saying that he is having issues, so I don't know. But Mr. Dollar can forward the link to him, right? So like, subscribe, comment if you have any suggestions, and my email address is there as well. Anybody wants to message me, you can send me an email. But that is going to be it from me for this Sunday. Thank you for being here. And I will see you guys next week, Sunday. And as I said, I'm going to be covering lot size calculator and how to calculate your stop loss. Okay? Take care, guys.